the birds part 2. Let's see if I can get close enough so you can like hear these birds. All the ones that were just flying around the Zestos at the Coldwater Crossing in Fort Wayne, Indiana. But now they've see the sun's gotten lower than it was, so that's why. And it's like, why were they all here at this time? I've seen lots of them here before, but talking like the middle of, the beginning of September. The food, like there's lots of insects. Why would it be this spot? Is it, it's not the right time of the year for mating. You probably can't tell from this, but these trees are just back in there, just full of them. Hoping you can hear the sound of it. It's just like a Phil Spector wall of sound of birds. Not up on the lines that were just full of them earlier. Not out in the sky. It's like now 7:45 Eastern time. 10 minutes ago they were up in the air.